Everybody and their fucking mother wants to make money online. Everybody keeps saying, I wanna make passive income, I wanna make money online, and there's so many fucking opportunities, it's unbelievable. You have crypto, stock market, affiliate marketing, dropshipping. Everybody promises you the land and tomorrow, and everybody tells you they have the best opportunity. Now, I don't know if my opportunity is the best for you. I do know my opportunity is the best for me. What am I doing? Maybe something you've never heard before. It's called dropshipping on Etsy. And what I'm gonna do in this series from now on, every Thursday, I'm gonna give you one lesson completely for free. It's gonna be around 10 to 20 minutes. Sometimes I'm even gonna do it 1 hour or 2 hours. I'm gonna upload also here the lives that I'm doing for the community that I have, and you're gonna learn everything about dropshipping on Etsy. So if you don't know me, hi, my name is Roy. I've made my students over $1 million dropshipping on Etsy for the last year, and I'm here to teach you how to do it as well. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 mistakes that my students are making inside of the Etsy dropshipping community, and I'm gonna teach you exactly how to avoid them before you even begin. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, and it's probably the most common mistake, and you've probably been doing this mistake with every other thing you're doing in your life. It's the whole concept about how fast. Everybody wants to get fast results. Everybody wants to get to the result as quick as possible. People are always asking me, even beginner students and even advanced students, how long will it take till I make money? How long will it take till I make $1,000? How long will it make till I get my first 5-star review? How long will it take till I'll be able to make X amount of money, X months, in X time? All the time, how and how long and how long and how long. Now, it's exactly the same in everything else. You're going to the gym, you start to doing some curls for the girls, all of a sudden you think that in half a year you're gonna be looking like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Things takes time. Things takes patience, and you will not be able to reach your result without having the patience needed in order to get there. So the number 1 mistake, it's all about mindset. Do not think about the right now and the right result. Think about how can I wake up tomorrow morning and get just a bit better? How can I optimize my listing just a bit more? How can I make my products just a bit better? How can I make my photos just a bit better? And that is the most important lesson that I can give to anyone. Because in the end of the day, techniques and teachings are great, but it's all up here. This is the most important. Mistake number 2 is almost the same, thinking about when will I get the result. It's just lack of patience. A lot of my students open the shop, they work on it very hard, 3 hours, 4 hours, sometimes even 8 hours a day. Then after 1 month, they get 0 sales because the niche they chose might have been not that good, or things just take time to build up, and then they close down the shop. How do you expect to gain results if in the first month of opening the shop, you already stopped? Imagine you're going to the gym, you'll be doing curls for the girls or bench press, and all of a sudden, after 1 month, you don't look like Arnold Schwarzenegger. You say, fuck it, gyms is not for me. Or worst case scenario, you start injecting steroids thinking that that will give you the physique. This is insanity. Things takes time. That's how it is, no matter what you do. So the same for here as Etsy. It is true that if after 1 month you got 0 sales, it's probably gotta do something wrong with the niche. Probably gotta do something wrong with the SEO. It probably gotta do something wrong with the products you're uploading, or you're not working hard enough. I'm not saying that you shouldn't get results in 1 month. I am saying that you cannot accept to get results so quickly without waiting for the results to actually happen in their natural pace. As in everything in life, things take time. Mistake number 3 that I see a lot of my students do, the beginners and even the advanced ones, is the whole idea about choosing a niche. A lot of times people think that the best way to go is just to choose the hottest product, the hottest category, the hottest niche, the thing that works the best, but they have no idea what they're actually selling. They don't have a design, they don't have control, they don't have a straight line of styling that they're selling only that and that only. I'll give you an example from real life, something that you can start doing already from tomorrow. Let's say that right now, in my shop, I sell pens. All of my pens that I sell in my shop are Pilot 0.7 thickness. That's the pens that I sell. I don't sell any other pens. That means that I have a niche. What is my niche? Pilot 0.7 thickness. Does that mean that I have to sell only black ones? No. I can sell black, yellow, blue, white, green, pink, doesn't matter. My sub niche is pens Pilot 0.7 thickness. I can also say I only sell unique color pens. And if I sell only unique color pens, such as not only blue and black, some different and special colors, so I can also sell fountain pens, I can also sell ball pen pens, I can sell whatever I want, as long as it's in the special colors needs. Because the people who are looking for pens that are in special colors will look for your shop. The people who are looking for 0.7 thickness Pilot pants will look for your shop if that's the shop that you're selling. So you have to have a straight line of selling. You cannot go all over the place. I'm not even saying don't sell pens and cups in the same place. I am saying sell one specific niche, go all in it, have the straight line of styling. And even if right now a person who already purchased from your shop 3 months ahead will see a product of yours, he will know that this is your shop because the editing is the same, the niche is the same, the product is the same. It's just, of course, different product, but the niche is the same, the styling is the same, the picture is the same, and he will know this is ePro Formula's shop because I recognize the pattern, I recognize the idea, and I recognize the mistake number 4. This continues the idea of mistake number 3. This time I see only beginners do, fortunately. I never see advanced people do it, but it's a mistake that a lot of Etsy sellers, beginners or not, do. And this is selling whatever the fuck comes to mind. A lot of times, you can go right now on Etsy and you can see shops that are selling pens, then they're selling cup, then they're selling notebooks. They sell whatever comes to mind. Why? Because they go on Etsy Hunt, they go on Allura, they go on Everbee, and they see that this product sells like hot. This product is being thrown to the market like a motherfucker. Everybody's making money out of that product. And then what comes to mind? They're like, oh, if this product makes money, then if I sell the same product, I'll make money as well. Well, no, that's not how it works. Imagine if right now you're going into a Louis Vuitton shop. All of a sudden, you see that Louis Vuitton started selling iPads. Now, they never talked about this, they never did anything like that before. All of a sudden, they're selling electronics that are not concerned with anything with clothes. Will you buy it? Well, probably yes, because it's Louis fucking Vuitton. Well, probably no, because you don't have that much money. Think about it that. Let's say right now that you look into a shop line. Nothing famous, not branded, not H&M or Louis Vuitton or whatever it is. You're just looking for a shop online. And then you see that this shop sells perfumes, it sells goats, it sells cars, and it sells items. Will you go ahead and buy anything in that shop? Probably not. Why? Because you'll be thinking that all of those products are either they're shitty quality, or they don't know what they're selling because they don't have the same kind of expertise. Same thing going for restaurants. If you go to a restaurant and they sell you Chinese, Indian, Thai food, Filipino, American food, and British food, you'll be like, I'm not gonna eat in this restaurant because they don't know what the fuck they're doing. But if they'll sell you only Thai food and they have like 10 or 12 meals, they can charge you even $30, $40, $50 a meal because their expertise of those 12 meals are the, and you know that those meals are gonna be fucking good. Same thing goes for your style. When you're choosing a shop, you wanna focus on one straight line of one straight line of niche, of one straight line of products, and then everybody that's looking into your shop will be like, this product must be good because they know exactly what they're doing because they're selling around all the same. He must be an expert in his field. Mistake number 5. This is a mistake that I see the most advanced do, beginners do, intermediate, everybody, even myself. I do it myself. This mistake has to do with supply. One of the trickiest thing about dropshipping and Etsy is finding the best. Because, first of all, we want to get the best. We want to get the best quality, we want to get the best comfortability, and we want to get someone that is good in English and is always available. Now, these 4 factors are the most important, each one after another. It depends on the seller. But all of those factors are important. And you don't really know how can you balance between all of them. Because on one hand, you don't want to pay much. On the other hand, you want high quality products. And then you want someone that is always available for you and knows good things. So sometimes you compromise on each factor. The only factor that you cannot compromise, no matter what, is the quality of the. And the way to not compromise on the quality of the product is to really make sure that the product is good. Now you can probably ask, Roy, how the fuck do I know if the product? Well, it's simple. First of all, you can order a sample. You can tell the supplier, send the product to me, wait for a few days before you open the shop and check the product. Touch it, feel it, take a pictures of it, look how it looks like, put some lighting on it, see how it's a good angle of it, and then you can tell the supplier, okay, this product is great, I'm gonna work with you, or not. And in that way, you will be able to know if you wanna sell this product in your. Number 2, you can ask your friends, which one is a good supplier? What experience do you have? If you have a community of dropshippers. If you don't, you can join ePro Formula community. We'll have a link here or here. Just press this link, join the community, and you can start asking for suppliers from our students and from me. Number 3 thing you do is if you're buying from some reason, although I really don't recommend it, and we'll talk about it probably next video or the next, don't buy from AliExpress. But if you can just take a look at reviews and see if the product that you're buying from AliExpress has high reviews, people like it, people claim it's a good. Same thing applies for the price. Of course, you want a cheap price, but if the supplier that you're working with has very, very, very high-end products, and you know it, and is still expensive that much that your margins are shrinking to 30% or 35%, and you have on the other hand another supplier where your profit margins are 50%, but you know that these products are not as good, fuck him. Don't work with him. Those 15% might hurt your pocket, but the idea of making shitty customers and shitty sales and shitty customer service and people are not happy will make you much less money in the long term. The higher quality product are the #1 factor of everything we're doing in dropshipping, because in the end of the day, there is a customer in the end of the line that is expecting a certain quality, especially when we're talking about. These were the 5 top mistakes that I see all of my students do. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Write me down in the comments below what will be the next subject you will want me to talk about. If you want to learn how to do dropshipping on Etsy better, you have a link in the description. I'll put also a link above here or here where you can join and really get into the idea of dropshipping on Etsy. We have a free course of 1 hour where you can learn from. Then you can have our messenger where we will get answers for all of your questions. You have WhatsApp community where we have all of our students and ourselves answering their 24/7 for all of your questions completely for free. The only thing you have left is to say yes to life and begin working. Nothing else. See you on the other side.